I don't think I need to state how important water is to all of us. It's an essential building block of life, and without it, we wouldn't be able to grow all of the amazing crops here in Washington that keep us fed. In this area, the underground aquifer water supply isn't able to keep up with the demand being placed on it, but there are solutions. Today, I'm in the Columbia Basin visiting a team that works around the clock to get water to the farmers that need it.
So this is all part of the Odessa Groundwater Replacement Program.
Craig Simpson is the Secretary Manager of the East Columbia Basin Irrigation District. He and his team are building and expanding these water canals to get water from the Columbia River to the fields where crops are being grown. The amazing thing is, there's no pumps needed to get the water to the farms.
It's at the end of the canal, and the lands we want to serve are actually downhill. So we're able to make a gravity delivery system without an expensive pump plant and the power that's necessary. It's about 5,600 acres that this will deliver to.
Now that may seem like a lot of acres of land and a lot of water, but it turns out that's only a small fraction of the mighty Columbia River.
At Grand Coulee, we divert only about 3% of the annual flow and so it's just a fraction of the amount of water that's actually going down the river. We're really blessed in the Columbia Basin Project, right? We have a Columbia River that has a lot of water compared to almost every other river in the western United States. This is a big relief for us over many of our friends that are around that don't get their full water supply on an annual basis.
Well, it's just one of those other reasons why we're just so lucky to live in the state that we do. And it's why our farmers do such a great job and why our food is so amazing.
They take our water and do amazing things with it.
It's crazy to look at this and go, wow, this water's coming all the way from the Columbia River.
Yeah, it is.
This is amazing.
There's over 90 different crops that are grown in the Columbia Basin Project. So pretty much if you can put water to the land, it'll grow almost anything up here. Some of the communities around here rely on the aquifer that's also being used for irrigation. And if we can take that demand off of the aquifer, it saves that water for our local communities, which is a huge focus for the whole Odessa program.
This is the end of this canal, and you said mile
86, that's actually called the 86.4, and that's because it's 86.4 miles down the canal from the bifurcation. But in order to do this work during the irrigation season, we had to dike off the canal. We came in this just spring before water came in and built this dike, and you can see how dry it is on that side.
Yeah, so, it's bone dry.
Yeah, we came in and put this in.
So when that's finished, will this dike be removed and the water flows again?
Yep, we'll remove it over the winter.
It's holding the water back for this guy.
Yep, yeah. This is the turnout, or the place where we're going to make delivery into one pipeline that heads to the southeast from here. Goes down towards the town of Canal, about 7 miles down to the southeast. So this structure will have 2 automated gates in it that will adjust to meet the flow demands that the landowners have. All the water that goes down gets used. It doesn't. There's no waste associated with the deliveries of these systems. You're standing in the bottom of the canal
this is the bottom right here.
Yeah, so you can see, well, even down here at the end, it's still a pretty big canal. The water level is going to be, another maybe 5 feet over my head. This thing will takes right around 73 cubic feet per second. It's like 33,000 gallons a minute.
Hey, that's moving some water.
The quantities of water we deal with are just mind-boggling. They do something with it, right? I mean, the water's great, but if they don't produce something, it doesn't do us any good.
It's all good. So, thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you, Tomas.
Appreciate it.